Okay, today we're going to look at spelling words with the suffix ed. Remember, the ed suffix has three sounds. The first sound is id. The next sound is t. And the last sound is d. We're going to put the ed in the circle here. So we have our base word plus our suffix ed to make our whole word. The first word today is lifted. Lifted. So I'm going to first do my base word, lift. Lift. Lift plus ed that says id. I now have the word lifted. Number two is the word build. Build. So first I look at my base word, bill. B-I-L. B-I-L. I add an ed for the d sound to make the word build. Number three is the word hushed. Hushed. So we hear the base word hush. Sh. Sh. Hush plus our ed that makes the t sound in the word hushed. Number four is the word scolded. Scolded. My base word is scold. S-k-o-l-d. Scold. S-k-o-l-d. Scold. Id. Now we have the word scolded. And the last word is the word insulted. Insulted. My first syllable is in. 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 My second syllable is salt. Salt. S-a-l-t. Insult plus id makes the word insulted. Let's read through the words we wrote today. Ready? Lifted, build, hushed, scolded, insulted.